Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a cute little video for you and we're going to be unbagging, I should say, Wishables. How cute are these? So I have 4. One thing I must say. So we picked up these in Pop Century, I think, on our last trip. Yes, we were in Pop Century. If you've seen my other video, I think my Disney shopping haul, I can link it for you over here, where my little guy actually wanted a few of these. And so I said, okay, go ahead, you can pick up a few. So he did. And he opened them up, one after the other, and this is what we got. We got this guy, and his name is Dela Cruz. So I hope that while opening these today, I can complete the set, because you need 4 to collect them all, and you have Miguel, Hector, Dela Cruz, and Dante. So I'm excited. And Coco is like, I even wore my Coco ears. Coco is everything. It's just my favorite cartoon, movie, whatever you want to call it. Just love Coco so much. So without further ado, let me start opening up these little. Okay, so some of you guys are just so amazing at feeling these bags and like you're professionals. I'm definitely not on that level, so I'm nervous. Oh my gosh, please be something else. Please be anything else. I am so happy now. Oh my gosh. I got Hector. Oh my god. I get chills. I love, like I swear, I got chills. I love Hector. Hector is just, he's just my little guy. Well, he's not a little guy, but you know what I mean. Alright. How adorable is he? Sorry, if you see little fuzzies flying around, it's from Hector. Blame it on him. Like, he is just, oh my gosh, he's so good. He's perfect. Oh my gosh. And so you might ask again, you know, like what happened and this and that. And you know, when my son actually ended up getting these, and when I saw the quality, I was like, these are just, they're so good. The quality is so soft, and it's Coco. Oh my gosh. All right. Baggie number 2. I get so nervous. I get so nervous. Oh no! We got yet another Dela Cruz. Oh my gosh. Guys, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I have 4 now, Dela Cruz. Oh, alright. So I have 2 more bags to open. So since there's 4 to collect, this is my last chance to get Dante and Miguel. Got Miguel. Oh my gosh, it threw me off for some reason when I opened him up, because his, I don't know, his hair is like, it's brown, but like, I don't know, the camera, the way it picked it up and the way I saw it, they kind of look like purple-ish. Oh my goodness, and look at his guitar. He is just, he's cute. Couldn't they make tags a little bit bigger? Like, seriously. Oh my god, the quality, it's just amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I love Coco. I love Coco. Did I tell you guys how much I love Coco? Okay, so we have 1 more bag to open, and we need to get Dante. And Dante is this little guy right here. Alright, Dante. Watch it be Dela Cruz. No. not De La Cruz, but we got another Miguel. Oh, another one. Cute. Okay, so I guess not bad. We're just missing Dante. Maybe on our next Disney trip, if they'll still have Coco, I'll pick them up. But this is like out of control, don't you think so? And then I have these two guys. Oh my gosh, cute, adorable. They are so adorable. They're so soft. The quality is just. Oh, Hector, I love you. I love Hector. All right, guys. So this was my unboxing, unbagging these little Wishables, Coco themed. And all right, so this is what we're gonna do. So since I have so many duplicates and I definitely don't need them, and just to spread a little magic, or maybe you have these and you need one to complete your set, we're gonna do a little giveaway. So I'm gonna pick 3 winners. All you have to do is comment down below and let me know if you've seen Coco and who's your favorite character from Coco. And of course, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and follow us on Instagram over at Happy Travel Vlogs. I'll put it right over here, so then that way I can get in contact with you via Instagram to let you know if you have won De La Cruz, or Miguel. So we're gonna have 3 winners. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This was so much fun, and I'm really excited to spread a little magic your way and let someone else have one of these little cuties. Talk to you soon. Bye.